In today's video, I am going to teach you how to master kit upsells. The goal here is simple. You will connect a kit form to a specific product page so that after someone submits your form, they get redirected straight to the product you want to sell. This creates a smooth handoff from sign-up to purchase, which is the core of an effective upsell flow. First, go to the Earn section in Kit. From there, click into Products. You will see your list of product items. Select the specific product you want to use for your upsell, and open it so you are viewing the product details. Once you are on the product page inside Kit, copy the product URL. This link is what Kit will send people to after they submit your form, so make sure you copy the full URL and not a shortened or partial version. Next, you are going to connect that link to your form. Go to the Grow section, then click Landing Pages and Forms. Find the form you want to use for this upsell, and select it to open the form editor. It is a good idea to double-check that you are editing the correct form, especially if you have multiple forms that look similar. Inside the form, open Settings, then go to General. Look for the option that says Redirect to an external page. This setting controls what happens immediately after someone submits the form. Turn on the redirect option, then paste in the product URL you copied earlier. Take a second to review the pasted link for accuracy. If the URL is incorrect, people can end up on the wrong page or see an error, which can hurt conversions. When the product URL is in place, save your changes, then publish the form so the redirect setting goes live. If your form is already embedded on a website or shared as a link, publishing ensures the updated redirect is active everywhere the form appears. Once published, you can run a quick test submission with a safe email address you can access just to confirm the redirect sends you to the correct product page. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.